Hello and welcome to today's feature on the Henn&Hart Alston Accent Cabinet, a stunning piece that combines modern transitional design with functionality for your home office, bedroom, or living spaces. This cabinet, with its sleek black grain finish, offers a stylish solution for your storage needs while adding a touch of elegance to any room. Weighing in at 52.2 pounds, it's sturdy yet manageable, ensuring it can be moved and positioned with ease. Assembly is required, but the process is straightforward, allowing you to quickly enjoy the benefits of this versatile piece. Crafted with care in China, the Alston Accent Cabinet reflects quality and attention to detail, making it a standout addition to your home decor. Whether you're looking to organize your space or simply enhance your interior design, this cabinet is sure to impress with its blend of style and practicality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great home decor ideas. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.